In 2019, a group of scientists partially restored the function of pig brains, 4 hours after their death. This is wild, and it creates a big ethical discussion, so please consider sharing your thoughts. So after death, it's thought that the brain rapidly deteriorates. With no oxygen or nutrients circulating, the cells die quickly. But Dr. Nenad Sestin at Yale wanted to explore the limits of this. So his lab got pig brains from a local food processing facility, and 4 hours after their death, they flushed a fluid through the blood vessels that would protect and feed the cells. And as expected, this preserved the brain and kept the cells alive, but it also kept the brain sort of functioning like a live brain. For example, when they injected a molecule that causes an immune response, it caused an immune response. And when they stimulated the neurons, they fired action potentials. This means that under the right conditions, brains can be preserved and studied after death. And that's where the ethical discussion comes in. Is it ethical to revive someone's brain after they die and study it? On one hand, this would be super valuable for neuroscience. A major problem in neuroscience is that we have limited ways to measure the activity of live human brains. This is why a lot of research studies use animals, because we can really go in and measure what's going on inside the brain. But if we could revive and study human brains in these same ways, we could truly advance our understanding of conditions ranging from depression to Alzheimer's disease. On the other hand, there's a chance that if you revive the brain, you partially revive the person. Maybe they would be in there with a sort of awareness of being alive, but without any senses or a body to control. In the study, they did show that the pig brain had no network activity. There weren't brain areas talking to each other or activating spontaneously, which is what we would expect from a conscious living being. But I want to know what you think, because when science and society intersect like this, and these decisions come about, I think they should be made by a well-informed public, not politicians. So please weigh in, and I want to say thank you for giving me a public forum to create these discussions, because I think they're very important. As always, follow for more neuroscience.